Gentle heart, strong mind, a practice in mindful self-compassion. Begin by finding a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down without any distractions or interruptions. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, bringing your attention to your breath and your body. Feel your breath move in and out, and feel your body relax with each exhale. Bring to mind a situation in your life where you might be experiencing difficulty or challenge. It could be a specific event or situation, or a more general feeling of stress or discomfort. Acknowledge and validate your feelings without judgment. Practice self-compassion by reminding yourself that it's okay to experience difficult emotions, and that you are not alone in your struggles. Visualize yourself offering kindness and compassion to yourself, as you would to a dear friend. Practice using phrases such as, "May I be kind to myself," "May I be patient with myself," or "May I be gentle with myself." Bring your attention back to your breath and your body, and notice any physical sensations or emotions that arise. Allow yourself to fully experience and acknowledge these feelings, without trying to suppress or avoid them. Take a few more deep breaths, and when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes and come back to the present moment. Practicing mindful self-compassion can help you develop a greater sense of self-awareness, self-love, and acceptance. By acknowledging and validating your feelings, and offering yourself kindness and compassion, you can cultivate a deeper sense of inner peace and well-being. Remember, self-compassion is not selfish or self-indulgent, it is a necessary practice for your overall health and happiness. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.